All about Easter eggs.
Wow!
1 egg. 2 eggs. Many eggs.
Wow!
An Easter bunny.
Wow!
More Easter bunnies.
Wow!
And another one. Let's paint the eggs.
Wow!
Let's paint this egg yellow. One chick. 2 chicks. Many chicks. Rocking eggs. Rolling eggs. Small eggs. Big eggs. Shiny eggs. The egg hunting begins. Can you find the golden egg? Good job! Here are more golden eggs. Wow! Look at all those eggs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! Easter egg bump.